focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, hand frozen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, I want to start this video off at the nail shop. Oh my gosh, y'all, I needed to get my nails done so bad. I just needed to do something self-care like, because I've been working so much. I just been in my bag taking care of my kids and all of that, and I kind of neglected myself for this past like couple of weeks. So I wanted to just get back into the groove, taking care of myself, loving on myself on this good old Friday right here. And yeah, we had to start that off with our nails and our toes. Okay, so I did decide to go I want to say a medium length. I wanted them shorter, but it just seemed like the lady was just not listening. She was too focused on my camera and not my nails, and that right there just kind of, frustrated me a little bit. But it is what it is. Not the best set that I've ever had, but not the worst set either, so I can keep them until next go round. But y'all, I don't like my nails or my toes, sadly. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. I kind of left off yesterday after getting my nails done, picking up the kids and running a couple of errands. Your girl was tired, okay? So I ended up calling it a night. I forgot to get back on and say good morning to y'all, but I've been busy all day too. I filmed this makeup look, I filmed this wig. I've been doing a whole lot today. So I'm just now hopping on to say hey and welcome to another day in the vlog. So I do have some friends, some family friends here in town. So the boys and I are actually going to go to dinner, so I figured I'd take you guys along so that you guys can check out this place with me. Y'all know I'll be trying to tell y'all about the spots to eat at here in Atlanta, so when you come and visit, you know where to eat, you know what's good. So I figured, the least I can do was pick up the camera and take y'all to get some food with me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the boys ready. I am ready, and we are going to scoot up out of here so that we can make our dinner plans on time. And so far, I am running on time. Okay, so I'm pretty excited about that. But yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that little bell on the side so that you'll be notified each and every time your girl drops a video. But anyways, let me go ahead and get ready, and yeah, I'll see y'all at the restaurant, or I'll check back in with y'all once we get to the restaurant, because it's a little dark outside, and the last thing I need is to be having a camera driving. No. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the restaurant. Okay, you guys, so this spot right here was called Dos Bocas, I believe. If I said it wrong, don't judge me in the comments or nothing like that, but listen, y'all, this was a Mexican restaurant. This spot was fire. Okay, enchiladas fire, chips and salsa fire. I took it to go, everything straight fire. Okay, so my cousin and I ended up getting the same thing, the enchiladas, and then hey guys, good morning. It's another day in the vlog. So dinner yesterday was really good. I forgot the name of the restaurant that we went to, but everything was good. I had got some what did I get? I had got some enchiladas. The enchiladas were really good. Y'all, my kid decided he wanted to waste some tacos, but I ended up smashing those, once I got home. And let me tell you, those tacos were bomb too. You know what I'm saying? So it's a nice little spot to go to. Very family friendly. The drinks were pretty good. The drink that the girls and I was called a hurricane. Very sweet. It was really good. However, it's one of those drinks that will sneak up on you, so unfortunately I did not end up finishing my drink. But after dinner, the girls went to, I believe, a hookah bar. So I'll have to reach out to them and see how that went for them. But me and my kids, we just ended up going home, and I ended up calling it a night. Whew. But yeah. So so far this morning, the only thing that we have to do is I'm going to make breakfast. And after we have breakfast, I want to try to like edit a video, because I've been filming a bunch of makeup tutorials, but I have not had the time to sit and edit and, you know, try to get them posted for you guys. So I really want to try to get at least 2 videos edit today. So I'm gonna do that. I also need to go to Burlington to see if I can find Cree a coat, a winter coat, because he has grown out of everything, and I just need to go grocery shopping for the week. So those are just the main things that I've got to get done today. So first things first, I'm going to start off with breakfast, and then I'm going to come back and check in with you guys. Yeah, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of the family. And yeah, let's go ahead and get the day going. Today is Sunday, if I haven't mentioned. Today is Sunday. We literally have 1 week until Christmas, and your girl has not bought a single gift. Not for the kids, not for anybody. I feel so bad, but today is literally my only off day. And yeah, so hopefully I can find something while I'm out, but if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So we'll see. So let me tell you guys how putting these cinnamon rolls in the air fryer blessed my entire life. And I followed the directions too. I followed them to the T. It says 320, 6 minutes each side. Boom, got it. And let me tell you, these things came out perfect. There was literally no leftovers by afternoon. So yeah, this was the best thing. Best quick and easy breakfast. And yeah, the kids loved it. I loved it. It went good with my little tea and all of that. So yeah, and look, they're already looking good, already looking perfect. So you guys, within our time apart that I was not vlogging, your girl went ahead and edited a video. So I got that done. So you guys should be expecting a makeup video this week. But anyways, you guys, we ended up going to TJ Maxx and then Burlington. And yeah, so while I was in Burlington, I saw these Guess boots right here, literally my size, the only pair left. And y'all, let me tell you, I've never been able to find a thigh-high boot that stayed up on my thigh. Like, it's always had, like, you know, some space at the top or whatever. Like, it just didn't work. But y'all, these are perfect. Okay, you guys, so I just got back from doing a whole lot of shopping. Okay, so I went and I did all of my last minute Christmas shopping. So I got everybody out of the way just about, except for my mom. That's not good, but I'm gonna end up getting her gift. Everywhere that I went that I needed to get the gift that I needed, they were sold out, or they didn't have the size that I needed. So I'm back to like square one. Like, I really wish that I didn't wait until the last minute to do all my shopping, but it is what it is. But anyways, in addition to me getting all the Christmas gifts and stuff like that, I also went grocery shopping. So I was able to get everything that I needed for like the next 2 weeks, thank God, because you know, with your girl working 10 to 12 hour shifts, I barely have time to come home and cook and stuff. So I needed to just get a bunch of stuff that was quick and easy, and I did just that. Okay, what I got while I was at the store. So I did buy Cree a new coat. This coat is so cute. I got it from Burlington. It is nice and thick. I like the fur that's around the hood. Like, my baby finna be warm in this, and I think we're gonna be going to Colorado. This coat is like perfect for Colorado weather, Georgia weather, all of that. So my baby ain't getting sick in this coat. Love that. And also, like, while I was at, where was I at? I think I was at Ross. I saw these waters, right? And I like them because I just thought that they were really cute because they were in the carton. So it says box water is better. So I wanted to just kind of try it out to see if this water was a little bit different from any old other bottled water that we might get from like Publix or something like that. It wasn't expensive. It was only like $1.99. So I figured I get 2 of them and just, you know, see what the water is like and, you know, go from there. Hopefully, you know, this is a good brand. You guys know I like good things and stuff that's nice and aesthetic-y for the refrigerator, just because I'm that kind of girl. When I open up my refrigerator, I like to see nice stuff, you know. So in addition to getting these things, I also went ahead and got some bags. And the reason why I got bags and not wrapping paper is because every year I be killing myself trying to what's it called, wrap a million gifts and stuff like that. And I'm like, listen, I'm not doing that this year. I'm not doing that at all this year. So everybody is gonna get some nice little bags, and then since, you know, my brother and his girlfriend are coming in from out of town, once they empty their bags, they can go ahead and leave them here with me so that they can see their bags again next year. That's how I am. But anyways, y'all, I just wanted to get back on and I just wanted to get on and just really just show y'all what I got. As of right now, it is a little late. It's like after 10 o'clock. I did the night routine for the boys, put my groceries up. I did everything. So now I am about to wind down and enjoy at least like 30 minutes of a show or something like that before I fall asleep myself, because I've been waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning, y'all, and I've really been sticking to my morning routine and stuff like that. And not only will I be waking up at 5 o'clock tomorrow, but your girl gotta work. So yeah, let me go ahead and log off and, you know, get some rest and stuff like that. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I got a lot going on, a lot planned as far as, you know, posts and stuff like that. So I just want y'all to never miss a video. You know, I just want y'all to know exactly what's going on, what I'm posting, when I'm posting. I want y'all all up in my business. So yeah, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video. And I think I want to try and maybe vlog a day in my life, you know, just going to work and everything like that, because I think it'll be cool to kind of like take y'all along so that y'all can see how tired I really be. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But until then, you guys, may peace and love be multiplied, and I will see you guys in my next video. Holla.